Pressure cooker reduces cooking time because the heat is more evenly distributed. The higher pressure tenderizes the food. The boiling point of water inside is elevated. A larger flame is used. The correct option is boiling point of water inside is elevated. Okay, the correct answer is the boiling point of water inside is elevated. A pressure cooker increases the pressure inside the pot, which is turn rises the boiling point of water from 100 degrees Celsius around 121 degrees Celsius or more. This higher temperature cooks food faster because it is transferred more efficiently and it allows together food items to cook more quickly. Okay, thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye.